Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm doing everyday makeup which is for beginners with my friend, and I'm going to show it step by step. Before you start applying makeup, it's important to take good care of your skin by cleaning and moisturizing. After washing your face, use a cleansing water and cotton pads. After this, apply moisturizing tonic. And facial moisturizer. It's important to fill in the eyebrows to frame the face. Choose a color slightly paler than your natural color and fill in with light. Our perfect eyebrows are ready. We used a cream and dark brown eyeshadow. Use a brush to apply it. Starting at the root, sweep the mascara through the entire lens, making sure to define every single lash. Apply BB cream with a sponge. Remember, always start at the center and work outward. Dip some powder into the lid, then dip your big fluffy brush into it, then apply it to your face, starting from the center and moving in big circles towards the outside. You can also use your red lipstick as a blush. If you want to make your lips appear fuller while still looking natural, use a lip liner. And for the final touch, add a little bit of highlighter. That's all. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it and it was useful for you. See you next time. Bye.